are on a hunt for Mogodu. I just forgot to vlog when we were looking for some in Pick and Pay, and they told us they don't have. Now we want to go to OBC to look for something. Not something, Mogodu to be specific, because the weather is so gloomy and rainy and calls for some soulful food. So yeah, we are on a hunt. Wish us luck. I hope you guys haven't finished everything and we also get to cook. We have finally secured the goods. We couldn't find a beef tripe, but we got a lamb one. So, you know, tripe is tripe, you know, so we're happy with this. Now it's time to now it's time to clean it up. Let's clean it so that we can start cooking already.
Daddy, I have food.
No one to help me. Okay, stop. We don't want this one. We don't want this, okay? Huh? Peter, you know, you must wash this thoroughly.
If you have made it this far on the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the channel with others. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh! Wow! Is it fire? It's raining. Go stand there with Daddy.
I need to emphasize that you need to thoroughly wash your tripe, because if you do not do that, it won't taste as good and it will have like stones and everything. So make sure to spend time properly and thoroughly washing your tripe before you cook it.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
$2,000
After, guys, I don't know how many hours, I think I finally got it and actually cleaned it. And if you can see it, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the best that I could do. I've been washing this thing. So yeah, now it's gonna be like the busy fixing some fire, and then we're gonna be doing this.
You know us with fire.
It's all clean and stuff. So yes, this is how it looks. It's clean, guys. I swear it's so clean.
No rocks, corner.
What?
Barafoni.
Yep, and that's our dinner, guys. That's our dinner. We're about to eat. And you know what? Like I said, Mogodu, I prefer my Mogodu not like complicated. Literally, there's only onion and beef cubes. Only. And that's how it turned out.